We're going to look at creating curved areas or curved lines and using the Steil tool. From the main menu, select Image, Load, and locate the Dingbat 034 image. From the main menu, select Image and Lighten. That will fade the image on your screen and make previewing the stitches a little easier. From the Punch toolbar, select the Steil tool. The Steil tool creates an even, smooth satin outline around an area. Move the mouse cursor to the flower outline. Place a left click at the base of one of the petals, a left click at the corner. If you make a mistake, simply press the backspace button to remove the last point created. As you come into the curve of the flower, place a right click and then another right click around the curve at the top, a left click at the corner, and a left click at the base of the flower. Press Enter and the Steil stitch is created. From the Edit toolbar, choose the Select icon, and then choose Segment Settings from the Ribbon toolbar. When the segment settings opens, change the stitch width from 2 mm to 5 mm. Select the Satin tab at the top of the Segment Settings dialog box. You have several options for a satin fill. You can choose a smooth pattern, you can choose a snakeskin pattern, and these are just different textures that will flow with the satin area. Choose the Satin Path column effects and you'll see an option called Jagged Edge. We're going to explore that later. Choose the Pull Compensation tab. Change the pull compensation to percentage and then move the slider bar under the value option. As you move the slider bar to the right, the pull compensation is increased and the thumbnail image displays that increase in the width of the stitching. Pull compensation helps adjust for the pull of the stitching in an embroidered design. Select the Underlay tab. Choose the Contour Underlay option. Contour Underlay creates an outline inside of the filled area and provides additional support for embroidery on the fabric. Choose the Command tab and change the color of the Steil stitch just created to a different color if desired. Change the lock stitch type to Basic. Lock stitches are extra stitches placed at the beginning or the end of an area that ensure that the embroidery stitching will not unravel during wash or wear. Select OK and the changes that were set in the segment settings will be applied to the Steil line in the design.